Hey, it's nighttime, 3:27 in the morning. I just woke up and noticed that there's some noise from my laptop. The fans are spinning, which is very interesting because, well, before I go to bed, I watched a few YouTube videos, then paused it, left the laptop like this, open, so it should sleep. It's on battery, there is nothing connected to it, and okay, let me turn on the light. Alright. So the screen is off. Yes, the fans are spinning. This is very interesting because it just arrived back from service a few days ago, where I mentioned that I had issues when I'm watching video to an external display, and when the battery gets depleted, instead of sleeping, the laptop remains like this, so the screen turns off, but the laptop remains running for a few more minutes, and then there will be a loud fan spin and the device will power off. And this is what the service came back with. It says, conclusion: the client's complaints were not reproduced. The machine underwent all service practical tests and worked without any deviations. According to the logs from macOS, the sleep mode was prevented by an external device. For the sleep function to work correctly, it is necessary that there are no peripheral devices connected to the laptop, so no peripheral devices and adapters. And they also say it was found that there is noise under the shift, there is some dust under the shift, and that was the cause for the described complaints by the client. And then it has been cleaned, and the keycap for this left shift has been replaced. And after this, no other complaints, no other issues were detected. And here it says Outlook hardware tests, checking warranty status, software tests, and they did not open the device to look inside. Signed, Stoyan Bordeov, Creative Center Authorized Service Repair. Now, alright, let's assume that they are right, and then some external USB device had been preventing sleep while I'm watching videos, movies on my TV or my computer screen. But hey, right now we do not have any USB devices. Fans are still spinning. Here is my phone. It's actually charging from the MacBook charger, and I left it overnight, so it's communicating with a device outside. It's collecting GPS data from TNG91, and anyway, the device is outside. It's a Bluetooth device connected to my phone. My laptop is not connected to it. Now let's check the status. Yes, still making noise. Let's check status from the laptop. It says here 63% battery. Just to verify. Okay, here's my serial number. Let's check activity monitor. You can see the battery has been constantly draining for hours and hours. And if you go here, preventing sleep. No applications are preventing sleep. This is very interesting. So no applications are preventing sleep, but device is not sleeping. Anyway, let's just quickly show my settings. You can see for battery it is configured to sleep after 2 minutes. Power nap is disabled. Put this to sleep and automatic graphic switching. And for power adapter, sure, this is enabled to prevent computer from sleeping when the display is off, but this only applies to power adapter. And right now we are running on batteries, so it should have no effect. The computer should sleep. And anything else? Sharing is enabled, but there are no devices connected. My computer is turned off. Remote login enabled. This is for SSH, but no devices are connected here either. Now let's check the Bluetooth devices. There are no devices paired, so nobody should keep this laptop running at midnight. Yet it is running at midnight, and my battery is draining every night. And well, the only reason I can think of, considering the email I received from Mr. Yulian Mirchev, who says, Dear Mr. Volkov, Please accept our sincere apologies if you feel like you are mistreated or you are not able to take advantage of an Apple program. Actually, Julian Mirchev is the executive director of Creative Center. And he continues, I can assure you that our team of highly educated and certified technicians have done their job outstandingly. I can see that, oh man. And which is fortunate enough is that your machine meets all expectations and works perfectly fine. Oh man, it works so fine, you cannot imagine. This is our professional conclusion. Being an Apple premium service provider, Creative Center is always trying to do its best when it comes to customer satisfaction, but neither we nor Apple can tolerate arrogant and offensive behavior. Since I am positive that we are not able to assist you further in your complaint, I would recommend you to get in touch with higher authorities. If you feel like doing so, we cannot where was I? We cannot afford wasting valuable time on this issue anymore. Nevertheless, if you have other issues with your Apple device in the future, please kindly do not hesitate to contact us again. And this is as a reply to, here is my message, here is my so arrogant message, which is every single word is true, by the way. Dear Mr. Bordeaux, this is the technician which signed the document and worked on my laptop. I demand a working device, free of any scratches and defects. Please tell me, do I have to go through all these repairs, time to backup, restore and document every single issue in detail every time I send it for repair? Oh, this disrupts my work and schedule. This is very expensive device, Mr. Bordeaux. It started with broken charger, firmware issues, frequent keyboard issues. Talking about keyboard issues, I just noticed these keys work fine. It takes effort to press the space bar. So this is just after it arrived from service 2 days later, and yeah, I'm having more keyboard issues with this device. So where was I? Keyboard issues, swollen battery. Yeah, this laptop has a swollen battery the last time I sent it, and also a stuck key on the keyboard. Then more keyboard issues, not entering sleep. Not entering sleep. It's so hard to use the phone and read at the same time. It should be on the top. When the battery is depleted, and now a scratch on the top case, so they scratched the top case here, but not sure it will be visible on this slide. Yes, it's visible. It's hard to focus. They scratched it, they lied that they didn't, but they scratched it. It's anyways better visible on another video. Now scratch on the top case and you dare to lie to hide your negligence. This is my arrogant behavior. Saying the truth is arrogant. And through all these incidents, your team did its best to avoid providing me with a permanent solution. Yes, because I said the keyboard issues will come back and we need a permanent solution, because I had multiple keyboard issues before, complaining to them, and they say, no, we just replace the battery in the top case, everything will be fine. Yeah, it's fine. I had keyboard issues in September last month, and now I have spacebar, which kind of works but doesn't make any click, and especially on the right side it's hard to press it. Anyway, I will end the video here, because this is a very old iPhone without battery and without storage, and I'll try to resume it if there is enough storage, or maybe I'll take my new iPhone and try to record from that.